Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to clear Snapchat conversations on iPhone and Android device. Apart from letting you share cool photos and videos with your friends and loved ones, Snapchat also comes with a pretty neat messaging feature to let you communicate with your friends and loved ones. But what if you want to delete some personal conversations due to privacy concerns? Bother not, there is a pretty straightforward way to delete Snapchat conversations on iOS and Android device. Let me show you how it's done the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. After that, tap on your profile located at the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you have to scroll down to the Account Actions section and then hit Clear Conversations. On the screen, you should see all of your Snapchat conversations. Now hit the X button next to the conversation that you want to get rid of. Make sure to tap Clear in the pop-up menu to confirm that you want to get rid of this particular Snapchat conversation and you are good to go. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can delete Snapchat conversation history on your iPhone or Android device. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to safeguard your privacy and also keep the Snapchat app decluttered on your device. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.